Tired of food spoiling too fast? This compact USB charging vacuum sealer keeps your snacks, fruits, meat, and veggies fresh for days. Just place your food bag in, press one button, and watch the air vanish in seconds. The automatic sealing system locks in freshness and flavor instantly. Its rechargeable battery and USB charging make it perfect for travel or small kitchens. Built from durable plastic, it's lightweight, space-saving, and designed for long-term food preservation. Seal smarter, store longer with the compact vacuum sealer machine.
Tired of store-bought pasta? Make fresh, restaurant-quality noodles right at home. This manual pasta maker machine is built with premium stainless steel, giving you smooth, long-lasting performance every time. With 6 adjustable thickness settings, you can roll your dough just the way you like, from thin lasagna sheets to thick fettuccine ribbons. Its dual-cutter design lets you easily switch between spaghetti and fettuccine in seconds. Just roll, cut, and cook. Simple as that. Compact, durable, and easy to clean, this pasta maker turns your kitchen into an Italian trattoria.
Tired of spending hours making dumplings by hand? Meet the Electric Dumpling Maker Machine 2023. With just one press, this smart kitchen gadget automatically seals perfect dumplings every time. Delicious inside, soft on the outside. Powered by a 600 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, it can make up to 1,500 dumplings on a single charge. Made from durable, food-safe PP material, it's lightweight, easy to clean, and perfect for family dinners or parties. Simply add your dough and filling, press the button, and watch the magic happen. Perfect dumplings in seconds.
Tired of bulky electric machines? Meet the stainless steel manual meat grinder and food processor, your heavy-duty, non-electric kitchen hero. With its ergonomic handle and razor-sharp curved blades, it grinds meat, veggies, garlic, onion, and chili with ease to create perfect texture every time. Plus, its sturdy table clamp keeps it stable while you work. And its stainless steel build makes it durable, rust-free, and super easy to clean. No electricity? No problem. Compact, portable, and powerful, this is the ultimate kitchen companion for home or commercial use.
Tired of plain desserts? Non-stick waffle cone maker is your secret to crispy golden cones anytime, anywhere. Meet the made with heavy-duty iron construction. This manual waffle press needs no electricity, making it perfect for home kitchens, parties, or even professional dessert counters. Its ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip, while the non-stick surface lets your waffles, pancakes, or cones slide out perfectly every time. Compact, durable, and super easy to clean. It's the ultimate tool for every dessert lover.
Vegetable and fruit chopper. Tired of spending hours chopping in the kitchen? Meet the 14-in-1 manual vegetable and fruit chopper, your ultimate food prep hero. With interchangeable blades, it slices, dices, chops, and shreds everything from onions and carrots to potatoes and cucumbers, all in seconds. The transparent container keeps your kitchen clean while letting you see every cut in action. Built with safe, food-grade materials and a sturdy design, it's perfect for home kitchens, restaurants, and even Ramadan meal prep.
If you also want to benefit from these products, click on the link given in the description and order now.